guys, are you tired of cooking the same old recipe all the time, every day? So if you're tired of cooking all those recipes, today's video I'll be showing you how you can cook this chicken pork stew recipe that has a wonderful flavor and a wonderful taste. Just keep watching, and at the end of this video you will now know how to cook a chicken pork recipe. Okay, so after adding the pork and the chicken, I will go up. I've already added the spices I will use. I will go ahead and get my rosemary, my fresh rosemary, and I will slice them and I will add them. I will now go ahead and add a small water to cook it. You know, pork meat is very nice, it's good. It does not have it's not like red meat and so on. So you have to know that pork meat is very nice. You can try this recipe and will thank me later. And I will go ahead to blend my tomatoes. I'll be using fresh tomatoes. You can see the tomatoes. I'll be using also paprika. I'll be using the red, green, and the yellow paprikas. You can see me that I will slice them and I will blend them. After blending them, I will set them aside and I will allow the chicken to be cooking. So keep watching. Hi, if today is your first day seeing our video, I am Chikwado and you are in Chikwado space. Thank you so much for stopping by. Kindly watch our video to the end. Don't forget to let me know where you are watching from. Let me know the city you are watching from. I will not fail to give you a shout out. Okay, thank you so much. I really appreciate you. So after blending these tomatoes, I will now set them aside and I will check my pork meat. You can see it is cooking. Only the flavor alone makes my house to smell so good. So make sure you cook your pork to be soft. You can also cook it with a pressure pot if you like, but I'm not cooking with pressure pot because this pork is it's not hard to cook. Okay, it's not so hard to cook. This recipe is so easy, very simple to cook. I will remove the chicken and I will add them in oven. I used to bake my chicken before I add it. Okay, so just keep watching one by one. You will see everything I will do in this recipe. I added a small water and I will cover it to cook. I will be adding my chicken now. I will put it in the oven to dry because it is nice when your chicken dry. You can also leave it like that. And I will go ahead to slice my onion. These red onions will take this chicken pork stew to the next level. Okay, you can use any onions of your choice, but I prefer this wonderful flavor and heavy onions to cook this chicken pork stew recipe. So now my pork is done. I will go ahead to transfer the pork meat in another pot, and I will start to make this chicken pork recipe. So I will first of all add my cooking oil. I will add also my onions. Don't fry it too much. Don't fry it too much. Just stay fried. Then I will go ahead to add the tomatoes, paprikas I blended. You can also go ahead and give it a stir. So keep watching, guys. So after stirring it a little bit, I will go ahead and cover it. I'm not frying this. I'm just cooking it to cook it a little bit before I can start to add other ingredients. I will cook it for like 2-3 minutes, I will add the fresh tin tomato. I'm not gonna add thick tomato here. See, this is fresh one, and I just added 2 tin, and I will go ahead and add my shrimps. My shrimps will bring this stew to the next level, guys. Okay, I'm not going to fry it because frying too much thing is not so good. Pork, chicken is so good. Instead of you cooking red meat and other meat that is not so good, you just give this stew a try. Give it a try, you like it. Use your pork, buy your pork meat, buy your chicken, and also use it to make stew. You will like it. I know you are going to try this recipe. Let me know if you are going to try this recipe in the comment section. Feel free, whenever you try it, let me know how you see it. Mostly, if you don't like eating red meat, this recipe will be wonderful for you. You will like it. I will add my crayfish. This crayfish will bring it to the next level. I've already added the chicken, the pork, the spices, paprika powder, and everything I needed. I will stir it very well and allow it to cook for 3 to 5 minutes. I've added the stock, the meat stock, which I got from the pork and the chicken. Then the recipe is done. Don't forget to test it. After tested it, I put a little salt. Oh, do you see how these shrimps make this look? It's so yummy. After eating this with my children love it so much, and I really love it so much. I removed tin tomato. Didn't you like it? I love you so much. So thank you so much for watching. I will see you next time in my next video. Look at how sweet it is. So bye for now.